happy birthday kay Ian. This is me, Miss Lala Pantaleon. And ang wish ko lang is sana may ipagpatuloy natin ang ating pagsuporta sa ating pinaka-idolo na si Michael Sager. At ngayon nga na birthday niya naman, I'm wishing na more birthdays to come, good health, and be happy always.
Hello po Kuya Ian. Good evening po. Babatiin lang naman po kita ng happy birthday po sa inyo, Kuya Ian. More birthdays to come, more candles to blow, and more blessings to come po sa inyo at sa buong pamilya nyo. At syempre, God bless na rin po. At enjoy your day po, Kuya. Sana po magkita at mag-meet na po tayo soon in person. Yun lang po. Happy birthday po ulit, Kuya Ian. Bye-bye po.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ian. Wish you all the best and good health always.
Birthday po, Kuya Ian. Wishing you all the best and more birthdays to come po.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ian. May you enjoy this beautiful day. We constantly acknowledge and appreciate your commitment to our growing family. We are very grateful for you. See you soon po, Kuya. Ingat palagi.
Hi Kuya Ian, happy birthday to an amazing soul. May your day as special as you are, filled with love, laughter, and unforgettable moments. Here's to another fabulous year ahead. Happy birthday po Kuya. More blessings to come. God bless you. I hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ian. God bless po and ingat ka po palagi and stay hydrated po. Hello.
Hi po Kuya Ayan, happy birthday po. Wish ko po sa iyo ay good health and stay safe always. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday Kuya Ian. More blessings to come to you. And sana good health lagi syempre para sa iyo. And sana soon makasama ko sa mga free diving mo. Happy birthday.
Hi Ian, happy birthday to you. Wish you all the best and sana happy ang birthday mo. Ingat ka palagi. Thank you din sa pag-support kay Michael.
Hi Ian, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best, happiness, good health, and more blessings to come. Alam mo si Ian, isa siya sa mga favorite ko sa admin kasi nakikita ko sa kanya yung pagiging very educated and professional person niya at artistahin siya. Basta Michael, guwapo. Okay, anyway, enjoy your day. Happy birthday again. See you soon.
Hi Ian. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. God bless. Ingat ka palagi.
Hi Kuya Ian! First of all, greet you lang happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. God bless. And thank you sabihin kuya ko sa Sager Warriors din. And I'm having artistahin ng Sager Warriors. Kuya Ian. Kuya Ian, enjoy your year. In special day mo yan. Bless. Ingat ka palagi. Bye!
Hello Ian! I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Sana yung mga achievements na re-receive mo magtuloy-tuloy pa. Sana mas bumongga pa. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Stay healthy. Hindi ka na isang editor. Siyempre, artista ka rin namin. Charis. Pero, kidding aside, yun nga sabi ko kanina, sana lahat ng mga achievements mo bumongga pa kasi deserve mo yan. Nakikita ko yung mga posts mo. Ang dami mo laging achievements na nare-receive, na mga blessings na dumarating sa buhay mo. Sana magtuloy-tuloy yan. Yun lang. Saka sana more bandings to come with Sager Warriors. Kasama ka. Stay healthy. Saka sa mga best editor na kilala ko. Yun lang. Love you, me. Thank you for everything. Love you.
Hello, Ian. Papakilala mo na ako. I'm Dimples, former social media ambassador ng Sager Warriors. Ayan, balita ko birthday mo ngayon. Kaya nandito ako para batiin ka ng happy birthday. I wish you more candles to blow and God always guide you. Ayan. Sana magkita na tayo soon at magkabanding tayo at ng mga Sager Warriors. Yan, happy birthday ulit sa'yo. Bye!
So ayun na nga, Kuya Ian, happy birthday sa iyo and wish you more blessings to come, good health, and thank you sa pag-support lagi kay Michael at sa Sagar Warriors. So ayun na nga, happy birthday Kuya Ian.
Hi, me Ian. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day and more blessings to come. See you very soon. Love you.
Hi Ian, I just wanna greet you a happy birthday. Wish ko sana matupad lahat ng wish mo ngayong taon and sana more birthdays to come, good health, and always choose to be happy. Yun lang, bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Ay Ian, happy birthday. Thank you for all your support kay Michael at sa Sagar Warriors. We love you and ingat lagi. Wish you all the best, success in life, good health, and more blessings to come. Happy birthday! See you soon!
Alam mo, iniisip ko ngayon, ano yung tamang greeting for you? It's Happy Independence Day ba? Or Happy Birthday? Or both? Ian, Ayan, whatever. Sige, happy birthday na lang. I wish you a very happy birthday. Thank you so much for all your support, your friendship, your advices, your inputs, and of course your sacrifices for Sagar Warriors and for Michael as well. Siguro ikaw sa mga taong I really appreciate and I was very thankful to meet this time. It's our first time to meet, diba? And I'm really thankful na nakikilala kita. Sana more memories to come in the future and yeah, see you soon.
Kay Ian naman, Ian, happy birthday sa aming pinakabagong editor sa Sagar Warriors. Gusto ko magpasalamat sa iyo for accepting to be part of the Sagar Warriors Studio. Maraming salamat for supporting Mikus, and I wish and pray for your birthday. Palaging safe ka, palaging healthy ka. Dahil alam kong night shift palagi ang work mo, and maraming salamat for yung ginagawa mo sa Sagar Warriors at lalo na kay Mikus, and hope to see you soon ulit, more bonding sa atin, and yun lang, enjoy your special day, and hope to see you soon. Happy birthday!
Hi Ian! Ayan, gusto lang kitang batiin ng isang maligayang kaarawan. My wish is, kung ano may mga pinagdadaanan mo sa buhay, I know ikaw pa kaya mo yan at malalampasan mo yan lahat. At, well, wish ko sa'yo, enjoy mo lang ang buhay. Enjoy lang natin ang buhay kasi lahat naman tayo may kanya-kanya mga pinagdadaanan. And kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan mo at pagdadaanan mo pa, naku, yakang-yakin, ikaw pa ba kilalang kilala kita, ikaw yung malakas at matatag na Ian, di ba, sa mga nakilala ko. And maraming salamat kasi isa ka sa mga totoong kaibigan na nakilala ko. At maraming salamat syempre sa suporta kay Michael at sa Sagar Warriors, of course. Maraming salamat for being part of the admins ng Sagar Warriors. And ayan, enjoy mo yung kaarawan mo, and my wish is all your wishes granted. O diba? As in lahat ng mga wishes mo ay matupad mo. At alam ko naman yung pinaka-wish mo, for sure matutupad yan. At malay mo, doon tayo magkita, diba? So yun, enjoy lang ha. Basta alam mo yan, lagi akong nakasuporta sa'yo kung ano man yung desisyon mo. Alam mo yan. Kahit mali, go! Siyempre naiintindihan kita, di ba? So, tao lang din naman tayo. Kaya, I know, malalampasan mo din yan. At hindi kasi tayo masasaktan, hindi tayo matututo di ba? So, lesson learned sa mga nangyari sa atin. At masyado nang mahaba tong greetings ko. Well, anyways, happy birthday. And ingat palagi, ingatan ng kalusugan, especially nung napakainit. So, ayun lang, ingatan niyo yung trabaho, and God bless. Love you. Mwah. Happy birthday! Pasensya na, wala akong ayos ha.
Hi Ian, happy birthday. So I wish you all the happiness in life, more achievements and success, and more bondings for us.
Hi Ian, happy birthday. Ang gift ko sa'yo is mag-stop na ka mag-bash para the entire year wala kang bash. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ian! Sobrang sneaky nung ginawa namin. Anyway, thank you for everything and ingat ka next time. Mahal lang kayo.
Hello Kuya Ian, happy birthday. This is Seth de la Cruz. Mag-ingat ka po palagi and God bless!
Uy, Ian, happy birthday. Balita ko, mag-celebrate ka daw today. Sana naman maimbitahan ako next time. happy birthday ha. Thank you, Ian.
Hi Ian, happy birthday. This is Seb Pajarillo. Wish ko lang sa'yo is mag-ingat ka palagi and more birthdays and happy days to come. Ingat palagi and see you soon.
Hello sa iyo, Ian. I just wanna say happy birthday sa inyo. And wish ko matupad lahat ng mga dreams nyo. Ingat kayo palagi. God bless. And I hope na mag-enjoy kayo sa karawan nyo dahil special day nyo yan. And kita tayo soon. God bless.
Hi Ian! Happy birthday! Ako si Herlene. Shoutout din sa buong family mo. Mag-enjoy lang kayo. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ian! Ako si Faith Da Silva and I wish ngayong birthday mo, happy ka, safe ka, feeling good, feeling blessed, doing good, dahil deserve mo yan. God bless you and see you soon.
Kuya Ian, nabalitaan ko na birthday mo na pala, so I just want to wish you a happy birthday. Nako, may God continue to bless you. I just want to say that I'm very thankful and I'm very happy that I have met you and nasa Sager Warriors ka and that you are very supportive, very loving, and we all very appreciate it from your edits, from your efforts sa punta ng mga events, sa mga shows. Nako, maraming salamat Kuya Ian. I just want to say from the Sager family and from me, a happy birthday. May God continue to bless you in your career, in your love life, in your family, in good health, and more blessings to come your way. I hope to see you soon. Mag-ingat ka.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.